So,
Go siya.
again, we'd like to remind all our guests to please occupy the front seats. If you're not a guest, please go to the other resort.
Okay, Sai.
Okay, so let's
waiting
go.
for everybody to come in. Why don't we introduce our guests
Yes!
for this evening?
And we will start by family. Dahil po kapamilya po ang ating birthday celebrant ngayon. We'll start with the Dalmasio family.
Woo! All the way from Marikina.
All the way from the true capital of the Philippines.
Yeah.
And next is the Sun family. Yes, the Sun family.
Yeah. And our official videographer for this evening.
Yes, Mr. Ruel Soon and his family. Okay, our next is the Pia Azarkan family.
Yeah. Bring it all the way from Paranaque.
All in one. And next is my family.
We're Bono family.
Yeah.
We're Ryan. Rayna.
Siyempre, mami ko excited. Next is the Nanet Di Matatat family.
All right, all the way from Lupon, Batangas.
Yes. The leopard family. The fastest animal in the world.
Ba't yung tinatakpan yung kilikili? Hindi yan lang ang kilikili. Okay.
Next is the Bikamong family.
All right.
And you will become as one.
To become one yun.
Got to become one by all. Next, we have the Malyari family.
All right. Okay, yeah.
You see. Next up, we have the Nicomedes family.
Why this person?
All in one family. Mother, father, brother, sister. Have your breast, your teeth. Next, we have Pritam Dasani from New Jersey.
All the way from New Jersey, USA. Hi, EJ.
Next up, we have the Santa Maria family.
Kasi sila.
Ladies and gentlemen, the late Santa Maria. Mamaya. Next, we have the Bulanadi family.
All right. Oh, makeup.
And the resident makeup artist, Mrs. Bulanadi. Next up, we have the Kamuning staff.
Kamuning! Saan yung mga kamuning?
They're here in spirit, ladies and gentlemen. Nasaan sila? Dumating ba? Nasaan? Si Mila?
Ala.
Baka nakatago sa carpet. Okay. Next, we have the Cruz family.
Cruz family. Woo! All the way from Orange County, California, USA.
Yeah! What's up? And next, we have... Nandito ba to? Wala na!
Wala na. All right.
Oh, we have the Buendia family! The Adriano family. Ulit.
1, 2, 3.
Next up, we have the Adriano family.
Yeah! Ay, sa palapakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Oh my goodness.
And last but certainly not the least, we have the Puro family. The reason for the season.
Ito yung presidential table.
Yes. Ito ang residential table. Ito ang mga residente lang dito.
So everybody, we want to welcome all of you to, ito, hinga tayo ng malalim ha, the
Bonggang Batangas 40th Birthday Breakaway Beach Bonanza. Kung sino man yung makakapagsabi niya ng dire-diretso ng walang mintis.
May prize.
May prize.
May prize. Okay,
Ulitin natin ha. Ulitin natin.
Okay, ulit ha, dahan-dahan ha.
What? Bonggang Batangas 40th Birthday Breakaway Beach Bonanza. Kung sino makakapagsabi yan without batting an eyelash at hindi magsastammer, let's try the kiss. Malamang hindi mo ibibigay ang prize.
Okay, Sai,
So,
habang pinag-iisipan nila kung sasabihin nila o hindi, let's tell them what they have,
What's in store for tonight?
What do we have for them, Sai?
Well, first of course we have food.
Fantastic food that's
Yes.
waiting to be eaten.
Yeah, eaten. Yes, the eaten. And what's So what's next?
There is wine and beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Oh, and then there's the company.
Yeah. And all the way from La Paz today, we have the band After 3. Not after 1, not after 2, after 3. Alright. Okay, so habang kumakain tayo, first set nila, tutugtog sila, no?
Yes,
Pagkatapos,
that's
sa second and third set,
Second and third set will be an open mic. It's an open mic. Ibig sabihin, bubuksan natin. Ibig sabihin, kung sino yung gustong kumanta, kung gusto nyo kumanta ng Pamulinawin, o kaya Ilay Kandangan, In Memory of, pwede nyo pong kantahin yan kasama After 3.
after 3.
After 3.
After 3, pagkatapos, no, habang may open mic, sa gitna niya, magpaparaffle tayo.
Correct.
Somebody in this room will win tonight a brand new
Yama cake! We have 4 yellow cakes in store for everybody. 2 mediums and 2 large cakes.
brand new
4 yellow cakes.
Saya-saya,
Kung kailangan ng pamilya niyo ng sugar rush, manalangin na kayo. Nabubulutin namin ang pangalan ninyo.
Ayan, and now, because we are standing in the way of dinner, isa na lang ang gagawin natin bago tayo kumain.
Correct.
At tayo'y kakanta ng Maligayang Bati. Take it away, Nana.
So, guys, do you want to stay here in front and sing Maligayang Bati and then everybody
For
will
our, hot celebrant in polka dot dress.
Yes! The polka dot dress, so you have to
So may I invite my choir friends
My
to come
fellow,
up front?
yes.
Hey, come on, here.
Starting off with the fastest animal in the animal kingdom. The leopard. The cheetah.
Fantastic.
Followed by the slowest animal. The turtle.
Maligayang bati, maligayang araw, maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang, sumainyo naman, maligayang tunay, kahit man ay lumawi ang maligayang bati, maligayang araw, maligayang bati sa iyong Sumainyo nawa, maligayang tunay, kahit manawari lumawi ang buhay, kahit manawari lumawi ang buhay.
Dinner is served, ladies and gentlemen. Ciao.